Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reading a story about a how-to book. And this how-to book is going to teach us how to build a snowman. The title of our story is Building a Snowman. Who do you think the characters are going to be in this story? Pause the video and tell your learning coach. Before we start reading, let's take a quick look at some of the pages. This is called a picture walk, where we just look at the pictures and we say what is happening. What do you think is happening in this picture? Tell your learning coach. Pause the video. Make sure you use words like next, then. What do you see in these pictures? And then what happened? Tell your learning coach what happened in these pictures. Remember, we're using words like first, next, then, and last. Looking just at the pictures, what do you think this story is going to be about? Taking a picture walk is explaining what we see in the pictures and making up our own story without reading it. All right, now that we've taken a picture walk and had some ideas of what the story is about, now we're going to read it. Building a snowman. Let's build a snowman. I'll roll a big snowball. You roll a little one. Listen to the details the author put in the words. A big snowball, a little one. This is going to be important when we write about building a snowman this week. We want to make sure we're explaining if we're rolling a big snowball, a medium snowball, or a small or little snowball. Here is a rock from the garden. It can be his nose. Here is a banana from the kitchen. It can be his mouth. Here are some coins from my wallet. They can be his eyes. Pause the video and point to a sight word that you recognize on these pages. Here are some sticks from the tree. They can be his arms. When you write about a snowman, making a snowman this week, you'll probably want to include something about his stick arms as well. Here is a scarf from me. We can give it to the snowman. Here is a hat from me. We can give it to the snowman. Do we have everything? Boys and girls, what's this punctuation mark right here? This punctuation mark right here, what's that called? Tell your learning coach. Now tell your learning coach what this punctuation mark is called. It is a friend. Yes, he needs a friend. Let's build another snowman. All right, now pause the video and discuss these questions with your learning coach. What are the kids doing? What did they do first? What did they use for the snowman's face? Afterwards, let's look at each picture and talk about what happened in the story. Remember, when we retell a story, we start at the beginning and we use words like first, next, then, and last. Keep up the great work, boys and girls.